Hey, what's up, tech DIYers? If your Android phone's been acting weird after the big August 2025 update, I've got you covered. Today, I'm breaking down what's going on with the new Qualcomm security patch, and showing you exactly how to keep your device running smooth and safe. So first, what's the deal with this update? Android pushed out a critical patch this month to fix some major vulnerabilities found in Qualcomm chips. That means your phone probably asked you to update, and you definitely don't want to skip it. But sometimes these updates come with side effects, like lag, battery drain, or apps crashing. Let's check if you got the latest security patch. Go to Settings, scroll down to About Phone or System, tap Software Update, and hit Check for updates. If you see the August 2025 patch, install it right away. If it says you're up to date, awesome. Now if your phone's acting up after updating, don't panic. For lag or slowdowns, just hold your power button and restart your device. Apps crashing? Long press the app, tap App Info, then Storage and Cache, and clear that cache. If your battery's draining fast, go to Settings, then Battery, and see which app is using the most juice. Force stop or reinstall any troublemakers. Want extra security? Turn on Google Play. Protect in the Play Store under your profile. Thinking about antivirus? Bitdefender, Norton, and Kaspersky are all solid for Android in 2025. And always back up important files to Google Drive or your favorite cloud, just in case. If nothing works, it's time to reach out to your phone support team or hit up an authorized service center. That's it. If this helped you out, smash like and subscribe for more tech tips. Got a specific problem? Drop it in the comments and I'll check it out for a future video. Catch you next time.